Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce digital footprint with DuckDuckGo, complete guide step by step clearly. To reduce your digital footprint using DuckDuckGo, start by setting it as your default search engine. Open your web browser settings. Locate the search engine section. Select DuckDuckGo from the list of available options. If it's not listed, you can add it manually by entering DuckDuckGo's URL. Next, make sure to clear your browser history. Access your browser settings again and find the option for clearing browsing data. Be sure to select cookies and cached images along with your browsing history. Once your browser is set up, explore DuckDuckGo's privacy features. Use the built-in privacy dashboard to understand how DuckDuckGo protects your data. Look for the option to enable the DuckDuckGo browser extension for additional privacy tools. This extension offers features like tracker blocking and automatic encryption. Remember to adjust your privacy settings in your device as well. Go into your device's privacy menu and review app permissions. Limit location access for apps that don't require it. Consider using a VPN for an extra layer of anonymity while browsing. This helps mask your IP address and encrypts your online activity. Once you're comfortable with your settings, perform searches using DuckDuckGo. Notice how it doesn't track your searches or gather personal information. Finally, review your social media accounts for data you can minimize. Delete any accounts you no longer use. For active accounts, adjust privacy settings to limit data sharing. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce your digital footprint while enjoying safer, more private browsing with DuckDuckGo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.